Hello dear students, I Abhinav Sir welcome you all in your own platform that is resultant, and this is the first session of the Game Changer series, guys. What will be this series? Everything I'll be telling you, but before that let me tell you about myself. Those who are new here in the channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Sir. I have 13 plus years of teaching experience, done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score a better rank than this. Okay guys, so this is the Game Changer series. What we will be doing here, we will be doing practice. What practice we'll be doing? We'll be doing all civil engineering subjects. Those topics we will be taking questions, we will be doing practice, we will be doing revision, from where most of the times the questions have been asked in the previous year gate examination. I repeat guys, those questions we will be selecting, or those from those areas the questions I have selected from where the maximum times the question have been asked. Some of the questions are previous year questions, some of the questions are my own questions that have not been come earlier, but the similar type of questions can be asked. Now guys, what is the schedule? Like today is the first session, today we will be doing SOM guys, then tomorrow soil, then on 19th of December surveying, 20th hydrology, OCF, RCC, PERT, CPM, everything will be done. And let me tell you guys, yes, as always from last many years, in the month of January marathons will also be there guys. Okay, so stay tuned in the channel guys. Please quickly tell me on the comment section, audio video is fine guys? Yeah, it is fine in my mobile. I hope it is coming in yours as well. मेरा तो बेकारी mobile है भाई. In this audio video is fine, so I'm 100% sure it is fine in yours as well. Okay, so how's the Josh guys? Come on yaar, everyone tell me. Fine. So today we will be showing, it is equally important for civil plus mechanical. Please share the students. Your voice is repeating. Okay, Sachin aayega bilkul. Sachin, his voice is fine because Chaitanya is saying voice is repeating. Let me check in my mobile. Come on yaar, everyone. Yeah, it's fine yaar. It's fine. Guys, you can join me in my Telegram group as well for all important updates and civil engineering content. Already guys, more than 6,000 students. More than 6,000 students have joined here. Okay, so if you want, you can join. The link is in the description box. For the GATE 2025 students guys, GATE 2025 students, there is a crash course going on. Okay, and the rank up course in mechanical and crash course in civil. If you want, you can join this crash course as well. Okay, so if you want any important update, what is the fees and everything, what is the detail of this course, you can directly connect me. You can connect me on this mobile number 93549 16360, or you can connect me on my mail ID abhinav@resultant.in. Okay, today voice will be better यार. ये road का mic लिया भाई. तो hi Rotela साहब, how are you? Okay, so voice will be better today यार. I am wearing the mic as well. Hi Advika, how are you? Hi Jaya, everyone, Krupa, Chaitanya, good evening, good evening. Those students who are preparing for GATE 2026 or GATE 2027, let me tell you guys, we have a complete civil engineering course where you will be getting live plus recorded classes. For every subject you will be getting study notes, for every subject you will be getting formula book, for every subject you will be getting the workbook, for every subject you will be getting the previous year questions. And those things, study notes, formula book, PYQ, workbook, for every subject you can download for lifetime. Okay, so you can have this if you are 2026 or 27 students. Okay, so from where to download the app? Go in the Play Store. You can download the app, and all our sessions, all our classes, live or recorded, you can watch on mobile also. You can watch on laptop or web also. Okay, so both you can join. Hi Arna, how are you? Shall we start with the first question, guys? Please put a thumbs up on the comment section. Shall we start with the first question, guys? Ready? Again, I am telling you the complete schedule is this. Okay, today's strength of material, then soil, then survey, then hydrology, OCF, RCC, PERT, CPM. This will be at 8 p.m. on YouTube. And let me tell you guys, we'll be coming with marathon sessions also on January. So this is the complete schedule of the Game Changer series. What we will be doing in this session, we'll be selecting those questions, we'll be taking those questions from where, from those topics from where maximum time the questions have been asked in GATE. And let me tell you, some of the questions will be previous year questions, some of the questions will be of my own questions. Okay, but from the topics from where maximum times the question have been asked, MCQ, MSQ, NAT, everything will be there. This is the first question. Guys, this is MSQ. This is not a previous year question, but these kind of questions of deflection have been asked many times. What is there? There are two cantilevers. Okay, this is a fixed support, and here is also a fixed support. Okay, and the free end of the cantilever of two beams, the free end of the two cantilever beams are connected on a roller. Okay, P load is applied. EI is constant. Flexural rigidity, EI is constant. The beam AB has a length of 3A and the beam BC has a length of 2A. P load is applied. What is the deflection at roller support B? This is the question. Okay. And what is the support reaction at C? Let me tell you, this similar type of question have been asked various times in GATE exam and others as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, Sachin. Audio is fine, na? Thank you. Hi. Akash Saab. Thank you for joining. Come on. And guys, see, if you want to take, this is not entertainment, na. I will not be telling you a joke here, na. I'll not be singing a song here, na. I'll not be dancing here, na. We are studying here. Okay, we are trying to get more marks in the GATE, or we want to level up our performance or score better in the GATE exam. I recommend you all, guys, please have a pen and copy along with you. You should be having a virtual calculator also. You can download from Play Store. But right now, if you don't have, take the scientific calculator. Let us make the free body diagram. Okay, here I am making. This is the beam. Twing, and twing. Free body diagram I am making, guys. Come on. Have a pen copy along with you if you want to take the benefit of this session. This is the cantilever AB and this is the cantilever BC. Here the P load is applied. Guys. Okay, if I'm making a free... Guys, what is the best way of making a free body diagram? Na? Whenever I'm making a free body diagram, I think that I am that beam. And if I'm in that position, what are the loads acting on me? Let me tell you guys, the best way to draw the free body diagram, even in our paid courses, I tell the same, that whenever I want to draw the free body diagram of anything, of any body, I assume that that body is Abhinav Negi. And if I'm in that position, what are the loads acting on me? If I will be in the AB position, then P load is acting on from me from upward, but or from B will be putting a reaction on me. R. Okay, this will be the free body diagram. Now I want to draw the free body diagram of BC. If I would BC, then from above, as this P load is acting, so this will be transferring some R reaction on me. Okay, this will be transferring some R reaction on me. Correct? And these both beams are joined. Okay, this is a beam, this is a beam, this is a beam, this is a beam. They are going downward. So both will deflect by same amount. Na? They are joined. Both will go by same amount. Na? So deflection of B here and deflection of B here, both will be same. Na? So here the deflection of beam in ABB will be P minus R L cube by 3I. What is L? 3A whole cube by 3EI. I hope this is visible on screen. And what is the deflection of this part? RL cube by 3I, RL cube. 2A whole cube by 3EI. 3 denominator will be cancelled. And you will be getting the value of R. Please everyone check. What is the value of R you will be getting? Please check. Are you getting 27p by 35? Yes. You will be getting the R value as 27p by 35. So this is wrong and this is... C is wrong, D is correct. This is a MSQ. I repeat, this is a MSQ. What is the deflection? Put either R here. Put R is equal to 27p by 35 here. Get the deflection, or put here. Get the deflection. Both are equal to sign, na? So both will be same. So you will be getting 72pa cube by 35 EI. Okay, you will be getting this. So answer will be BD, not ABD Willers. It is only BD. Please give me a heart sign on the comment box if you got it. Avinash, Sachin, Jaya, Ridhi, Anna, Balls, Advika, Jaya, everyone guys, everyone. Please put a heart sign. Have you got it? No, 3A was not area, yaar, Krupa. Please put a heart sign on the comment box. Have you got it? This is the question number 1, guys. Have you got this? Then we'll be moving further, guys. And in between, if you want to increase my speed or decrease my speed, please tell me. My speed will be normal. Actually, my speed of saying is less. Saying is very fast, but the lecture will go in a normal pace. Lecture will go in a normal pace, guys. Let us go with the question number 2. This is a matrix. This is a matrix. And I don't know how many of you seen the stress in the matrix form. It is asking the maximum shear stress. This is a GATE PYQ now. It has been asked in 2024 in 1 marks. Okay, 2024 in 1 marks. This is a MCQ. This is, guys, MCQ, MSQ, NAT will be mentioned there. MCQ, okay, MSQ, NAT will be mentioned there, guys. This is a MSQ. Hit the question hard. Hit the question hard. They are asked the maximum shear stress. What will be the maximum shear stress? This is the question. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Have you seen such type of questions? If not, you will, it is better now. If you have not seen this kind of questions, it's okay now. That means your concepts are building up for the GATE examination. That means your concepts are building for the GATE examination, guys. Hit the question hard, everyone. Guys, as other than principal diagonals, this is the principal diagonal. Other than principal diagonal, all elements are 0. All elements are 0. Therefore, shear stress is 0. Okay, why, sir? Why, sir? Because, guys, stress matrix is written in such a form, na? Sigma xx, tau xy, tau xz, relating or not? Tau yx, sigma yy, tau yz, okay, tau zx, remember? Okay, that means shear is 0. That means these all are principal stress. Okay, so sigma 1 is 10, sigma 2 is 40, and sigma 3 is 0, as there are 3 principal stresses. So there, one is tau max. One formula is, see, one formula of tau max is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2, correct? And another formula of tau max is maximum of sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2, comma. So which formula has to be applied? A or B? Green one or blue or yellow one? Okay, what is the difference between the two formulas? This yellow formula, let me be little down. This formula is for absolute case, for 3D case. And this green formula is in plane condition, 2D, in plane condition. Here, as it is a 3D matrix, 3 principal stresses are there. So we have to find out the absolute value, 3D value, because there are 3 principal stresses, na. Okay, so we have to find that value. So sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2, sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. So 10 minus 40 by 2, 30 by 2, it will be 15, modulus sign, na. Sigma 2 minus sigma 3 by 2, 40 minus 0 by 2 will be 20, and 10 minus 0 by 2 will be 5. So maximum value will be of 15, 20 and 5 will be 20. That is option number B. Guys. Everyone on the comment section, give me yes or no. Have you understood this? Guys? Yes, ECG, Chaitanya, Siddharth, tell me, yaar. Come on, everybody. Then I'll be going further, yaar. I am little already down. Give me answer fast so that I can be up again. Yes. Everyone, very nice question. Very nice. Let me be going to question number 3. But before question number 3, one small request. We all will be meeting at 8 PM in this series. Okay, this series, Game Changer series, will not be restricted to SOM. Tomorrow will be soil, then survey, then hydrology, then OCF, then RCC, then per CPM. So we will be meeting every day here. Can you please tell me on the comment section from which city you belong? From which city on the comment box? Then we'll be going to question number 3. A beautiful MSQ question we have done. A beautiful question here we will be done. Next we'll be going question number 3. Please write down your city on the comment section. Yes, Sachin. Come on, Krupa. Come on, come on. Then we'll be going to question number 3. Again a nice question. Again a nice question on strain energy. Okay, let me be little up again. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Question number 3. Question number 3 यार. City बता दो भाई. Visakhapatnam, RK Beach. Okay. A prismatic linear elastic bar of length L. Kurnool. Okay. Cross sectional area A. Length L. Area A. Length is L. Area is A. Made up of a material with Young's modulus E. Made up of material with Young's modulus E. And subjected to axial tensile force. Okay. Chandigarh, Nagaland. And the tensile forces are P1 and P2 in the first two bars. When the bar is subjected to P1 and P2, the strain energy is U1 and U2. If U is the total strain energy, when P1 plus P2 both are applied, then what is the relation of U1 and U2? Let me be very simple here, guys. Simple English I am telling you. Here the strain energy is U1, here the strain energy is U2, and here the strain energy is U. So what is the relation between U1 and U2? This has been asked in 2 marks, and let me tell you, this question can be solved in, this is a previous question asked in 2 marks in GATE 2020. Let me tell you, this can be solved in 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. Now, what is the strain energy? Strain energy is integration of axial force Fx square dx upon 2ae. Okay. So, here it will be P1's integration of P1 square dx upon 2ae. Okay. This integration of dx will be L. Integration of dx will be L. So, here the strain energy in this case will be, the strain energy will be P2 square integration of P2 square dx upon 2ae. But here the strain energy U will be integration of axial force. Axial force is P1 plus P2. P1 plus P2 whole square. P1 plus P2. Let me undo. P1 plus P2. Okay, again 2 is not clear. Yeah, my handwriting is as bad as my face. Okay, dx upon 2a. So when you do P1 plus P2 whole square na, it will be P1 square. Let me be little side. I guess if I go here, it will be fine. It will be P1 square plus P2 square plus 2P1 P2 term will be coming na. ये मोदी जी ने भी बताया था ना ये फॉर्मूला इन अमेरिका. A square and B square, A plus B whole square is something more. Okay, it will be 2AE. So P1 square of here, P2 square of here, but 2P1 P2 extra will be coming na. So U will be greater than U1 plus U2 na. Correct or not? Correct or not, guys? Come on! Yes, Gagan, how are you? Hi, Gagan bhai. Welcome. Avinash, Chaitanya. Come on. Getting or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Hit the question hard, guys. Come on. Hit the question hard. Come on, guys. Come on. Got it? Come on. Then we will be going further. Chalo. Yes, P1 and P2 is constant. But when we'll be doing squaring na, so P1 square plus P2 square plus 2P1 P2 extra will be coming na. So magnitude extra will be coming na. Okay. Let us go to question number 4. Again 2 mark question, and guys, this everyone knows. What is this? This everyone knows. E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. Okay, E is Young's modulus, G shear modulus. This 2 mark question can be done in 10 seconds. I am not saying that this is my question of 2 marks for GATE. This actually has been asked by GATE exam. In 2022. 2-mark question can be done in 5 seconds. E is equal to 2g 1 plus mu. That is option number A. Now guys, I'm not restricting myself here. I'm twisting this question. I'm twisting this question. I'm twisting this question. Okay. Now tell me for metals. Now let me see who can solve this. For metals, what is maximum? I am making my own question. This has been asked in GATE. This we have solved in 5 seconds. For metals, what is maximum value of E by G? E by G. Can you tell me this? Now take it as NAT. Take it as NAT. Can anyone tell me this here? Come on, guys. Come on. E is equal to 2g plus 1 plus mu. So from here, E by G is equal to 2 1 plus mu. And it has been asked the maximum value for metals. So for maximum, what is the maximum value of mu? What is the maximum value of mu? What is the maximum value of mu, guys? Come on! Maximum value of mu is 0.5. Maximum value of mu is 0.5. So it is E by G. 2 into 1.5 is 3. So maximum value of 3. Maximum value of 3. Answer is equal to 3. Yes or no? And now I'm twisting again. I'm twisting again for metals. For metals. See, one more question I am making. Find minimum value of E by G. Guys, before coming to this third question, that means the Young's modulus can be as high as 3 times of shear modulus. These type of questions you are studying this first time because I have made of my own. Okay. What is the minimum value of E by G for metals? Guys, why I am using the word metals? Because mu can be negative also for other substances. Like for human tissues, mu can be negative also. For soap polymers, mu can be negative. And the minimum negative value can be up to -1. Minimum negative value for -1. For all substances in this world, mu is this. But if I talk of metals, then mu is always positive, 0 to 0.5. So if I talk about for metals, E by G minimum value, so minimum value of metals will be, mu will be 0. So it will be 2. Minimum value will be 2, yaar. Chaitanya, for metals it can be as low as 0. Okay, 0 is for cork, but for some other metal it can be 0 point something, approximately 0. 0.000001. 0.00001 approximately equal to 0. Okay, that means from here, can I say this? Everyone please tell me on the comment section. Can I say this? It is maximum value of E by G is E by G maximum. Guys, this no one will tell you, yaar, because this is my own question. You will not find this in any test series in any book. You will not find this in any test series in any book. This is my own. Minimum is equal to 2. From here, can I say that 2G, this E is maximum is more than 2G and always less than 3G for metals. Please tell me on the comment section. Have you got it? Have you got it? Please tell me. Have you got this? Have you got this? Okay, let us go to the next question, guys. Beauty of a question. This is a NAT. Try to solve this, guys. Okay, it is a very big question written on the screen by guys, but you can solve it easily. Trust me, guys, you can solve it easily. Consider 2 linear elastic rods. Let me tell you, this is a PYQ. Let me tell you in which year it has been asked. Just give me 10 seconds or even less than 10 seconds. Let me tell you in which year this question has been asked. Let me tell you, this has been asked in 2022. This has been asked in 2022. Okay, GATE 2022 2 mark. So what is the question? Let me be little below. Two elastic rods HI and IJ. This is HI. See, where is the laser here? This is HI. This is IJ. HI, IJ. Okay. So two elastic rods HI and IJ, each of length B. Both length is B. This is B. This is B. Both length is B as shown in the figure. The rods are linear and confined between two fixed supports. Here it is a fixed support. Here is also it is a fixed support. Okay. Both the rods are initially there is no stress. Coefficient of linear expansion is A. Okay. Now the temperature of this rod Ij is increased. Temperature of this rod is increased, but temperature of this rod is not increased. The temperature of this rod is increased by delta T. Temperature of this rod is increased by delta T. Where the temperature of HI, the temperature of HI is not changed. Okay, external force P is now applied at this I point. External force as shown in the figure is applied at I point. The value of is P. The coefficient of thermal expansion is A na? The coefficient of thermal expansion is A na? That coefficient of thermal expansion is A value is 10 to the power minus 6 per degree Celsius. Okay. The coefficient of thermal expansion, which is generally called as alpha, but here they have called it A, is 10 to the power minus 6 per degree Celsius. Delta T is 50. This has been increased. The temperature is increased by 50, but here there is no increase, unchanged. B value is given, A is given. The axial rigidity of HI and both the rods are 2AE and AE. Axial rigidity of this is 2AE, axial rigidity of this is AE. To make the axial force in rod HI to be 0, there is no axial force here. What is the value of P? What is the value of P? Guys, leave all this thing. If this is a P, this is H point. So here is the reaction RH na, and here there is a reaction RJ. Might be my directions are wrong, so answer will be coming negative. Guys, what is the stress in HI? See from left or right? I am seeing from left. I am seeing from left. So it is RH by area. RH by area. But it has to be 0 na, to make the axial force 0. So therefore RH is equal to 0. RH has to be 0 because they are saying there is no axial force in that member. So RH is equal to 0. So that means for summation Fx is equal to 0. Summation Fx is equal to 0. So total right hand side force is P and left hand side force is RH plus RJ. Now RH is 0. Therefore RJ value is equal to P. Therefore RJ value is equal to P. Now everyone, can you tell me what will be delta IJ? What is the elongation of this bar? What is the elongation of this bar, guys? Tell me. What is the elongation of bar IJ? What is the elongation of delta IJ? Delta IJ will be 0 na, because HI is having no axial force, no temperature, no axial force is there, no temperature is there. Delta T is equal to 0, RH is equal to 0. So elongation of that will be 0 na. Elongation of that will be 0. So elongation of IJ has also to be 0. Why? 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 Because H and J are fixed supports. They cannot change. H and J are fixed. See, if you are not understanding this, let me tell you in an easy way. Let me tell you in a very, very easy way. H and J are fixed supports na. H and J are fixed supports na. So delta HJ will be 0. So delta HJ will be delta HI plus delta IJ. Delta HI plus delta IJ. Delta HI will be 0 because there is no temperature change, no axial force. Therefore delta IJ will be equal to 0. Therefore delta IJ will be equal to 0. Yes or no? Yes or no? Therefore delta IJ will be equal to 0. Yes. And what will be delta IJ? Wait. What will be delta IJ? Delta IJ is equal to 0 here. Okay. What will be delta ij? Due to force, due to P, it will be contracting by PL by AE, and due to temperature, due to P, it is shrinking by PL by AE. Due to temperature, it will be expanding by L alpha delta T. Both has to be same. Then only it will be zero, na. Then only it will be zero, na. The shrinkage of PL by AE and the expansion of temperature L alpha delta T, when both will be zero, then it will be same, na. So L A E, every value is mentioned there. From there you can get P is equal to 50 Newton. I have told you the concepts. I have told you the equation. Now values has to be put. You will get the answer. Now values has to be put. You can get the answer. Yes or no, guys? Come on, everyone! Come on, come on, come on. Guys, put a heart sign if you got it, yaar. Otherwise, I'll be telling again, yaar. Otherwise, I'll be telling again, yaar. Otherwise, I'll be telling again. Come on! Everyone. Tell me. Great, great, great. Now this is a question, but take this as a homework. Right? It will be very easy, yaar. Very easy. I'm taking some challenging questions. I'm taking some challenging questions. Everyone here, please put a heart sign, yaar. Come on. Write answers on the comment section. I will be taking some interesting questions. Yes, Ashi, super clear. Delta Krupa, what happened na? Delta of this has to be done. Okay, this delta will be 0. We have proved here. So delta of this member will be due to force. It is compression. P and P, it is compression. And due to temperature, it will be expansion. And net delta has to be 0. So the force, the contraction due to force and the elongation due to temperature has to be 0. Put the values, get the answer. Put the values, get the answer. Okay, guys, we are not finished here. A lot of more questions yet to come to revise complete SOM. But let me tell you, this is the series, na? This is the series. Every day 8 p.m. on YouTube. Today SOM, then soil, then 18th is off, na? So because survey will be from 19th. So 18th I'll be taking this. So 25 important topics. Okay, on 18th of December, 8 p.m. on YouTube. Okay, I'll be telling this 25 important topics and 25 topics that can be skipped for GATE 2025. Okay, one more MSQ. This is not a PYQ. This is not a PYQ. This is my own. This is my own. A circular rod. Okay, a circular rod is there. Okay, it is fixed at one end. It is fixed at one end. Okay, and free at another end. Length is 5 meter. Twisting moment T is this. Twing, 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 twing. Twing, twing, twing. Length is 5 meter. Okay, what is happening? Fixed at one end. A twisting moment is applied here. Okay, what is the difference between torque and movement? Can anyone tell me? Torque is the movement about the longitudinal axis. Guys, this is a cross section, na? Okay, the movement about this axis, this longitudinal axis like this pen. The movement about this axis is torque. But the movement about the transverse axis, either this axis or this axis, that will be bending. That will be bending. And the movement about this perpendicular axis is torque. Okay, it is applied. GJ, the torsional rigidity. EI is flexural rigidity. AE is axial rigidity. GJ is torsional rigidity. The reason why it is flexural rigidity, I have told many times, because in all deflection formulas, na, every time EI is in denominator, PL by 3I, PL square by 2EI. So if denominator is more, the deflection is less. And the deflection is due to bending, flexure. So this is providing rigidity. More EI value, more denominator, lesser is the deflection. Similarly, A is axial rigidity. What is the deflection due to axial force? PL by AE. What is the deflection due to axial force? PL by AE. A is coming in denominator. So more AE, less deformation in axial. So it is providing rigidity. Similarly, what is twist? What is twist? Phi is equal to TL by GIP or GJ. So if Gj is more, denominator is more, phi is less, na? So it is providing torsional rigidity. It is providing torsional rigidity. That is why it is called flexural rigidity. That is called axial rigidity, and this is called flexural rigidity. So torque is applied. Gi is given. What is the rotation? What is the rotation? Everyone, come on. Phi is TL by GIP. Now here T is given to you. Length is given to you. Gj is given to you. You can put the answer. You can put the values. You can put the values and get the answer. So it will be 0.01 radian. It will be 0.01 radian. Everything is given. Now T is this 100. L is given. You can put and get the answer. It will be A. Now what is torsional strain energy? Torsional strain energy is like due to axial force, strain energy is half P delta. It will be half T into phi. T is given to you. Yes. Phi we have calculated. Yes. Once you put the answer, guys, you will be getting it as, tell me how much you are getting. How much you are getting? You will be getting 500 joule. You will be getting 500 joule. So this will be wrong. And what is the maximum shear stress in a solid circular shaft? What is the tau max in solid circular shaft? 16T by pi d cube. 16T by pi d cube. T is given. Yes, sir. 100 kN per meter. Diameter is 200 mm. So diameter is also given. Put the values. Get the answer. It will be not AB de Villiers, but it is ACD. It is ACD. No, Avinash. Movement is not due to internal force. Bending movement is due to internal thing. Movement is external. No, torque is movement. Yes, Chaitanya is correct. Yes, let's crack. Welcome, sir. Yes, engineer. He is a part. Thank you, Prajapati. Thank you. Getting it? Shall we move forward? For some more interesting questions? Okay, again gate PYQ. Hit it. Find the state of stress shown in the figure below. The maximum shear stress is. What is the maximum shear stress? Gate 2014 2-mark question, guys. See, these are the level of 2-mark questions that you can solve if you have a in-depth knowledge just in 30 seconds. I'm not saying that all 2-mark question you can do so easily. I'm not saying you can do all 2-mark questions so easily. No, not like that. No, not like that. Not all 2-mark question. But there are some 2-mark questions that you can do just like a jiffy, guys. Hit this question hard. Guys. Ably one, Ably commander, Ably champion. This I am solving all the questions here. Solve this and tell me the answer. Guys. कुछ तो बताओ भाई. चलो. What is asked? The maximum shear stress. Tau max is given by sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2 radius. But here we don't know principal stresses. These are not the principal stresses. Because if they were principal stresses, then shear stress on those planes will be 0. Shear stress is not 0, it is 4. Guys, why they have not written the value of shear stress here? Because once in one plane it is 4, then all planes it is 4. Okay, so this formula cannot be applied because we directly doesn't know here what is the principal stresses, because 2 and 4 are not principal stresses. If they are principal stresses, then shear stress will be 0 there. Okay, so another formula, the radius formula is sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square. So from here it is under root of sigma x is minus 2, sigma y is 4. So sigma x is minus 2 minus sigma y is 4 by 2 whole square. Sigma x is minus 2 because it is compression, plus tau xy, shear stress is 4 square. So this value is minus 2 minus 4 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square plus 4 square is 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5. Are you getting this? Tell me. Now student does not know if Pythagoras theorem, but everybody knows that under root 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5. Everyone knows this, under root 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5. One more thing. There are various ambiguity along the NAT. Guys, sometimes like this question, there is a clear answer 5. So answer will be 5. Answer will be 5. If you write 5.1, 5.01, 4.99, it will be wrong. If you write 5.01, it will be wrong. 4.99, it will be wrong. 5.02, it will be wrong. Answer will be, range will be 5 to 5. But other questions where there is a complex calculation, if we have done any of such question, no, in this question also it will not be complex. Okay, in such any complex calculations, in complex calculations, okay, where 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places are involved, the question can have a range from 12.01 to 12.36. Okay, then any answer between that range will be treated as correct. Okay, so you need not to worry about calculation. If there is some questions having complex calculation, then they will give range. For such questions where direct answer can be calculated, there will be no range. Now, my best question for this. My best question for this series, this today's session. Let me write it here also. W is equal to W naught sine pi x by L. Okay, guys, men's do linear loading. Legends do 2-degree loading. Ultra legends do cubic loading. Okay, men's linear loading 1 degree. Legends do parabolic loading 2 degree. Ultra legends do cubic loading. But Abhinav Negi student does trigonometric loading questions also. Oh my god, this loading is not 1 degree. This loading is not 2 degree. It is not 3 degree. It is a trigonometric loading, my god, on a simply supported beam of length L. EI is constant. EI is constant. Oh my god, what is this here? Not 1 degree, not 2 degree, and not 3 degree. And let me tell you guys, we will do it very easily. How this load is, let me tell you how this load is changing. Let me tell you. The loading is W naught sine pi x by L Loading is W naught sine pi x by L at x is equal to 0. When you put x is equal to 0, sine 0 is 0 Sine 0 is 0 So what is W? W is 0. Okay, so it is 0 here. It is 0 here. Okay, at x is equal to L by 2. Let me understand this loading to you. Okay, let me make you understand first of all. At x is equal to L by 2, once you put L by 2, this is not a PYQ guys, this is my own question. L by 2, sine pi by 2 is 90, sine 90 is 1. So it is W naught. So at L by 2 at center, it will be maximum W naught. Okay, it is 0 here. And when x is equal to L, x is equal to L. At x is equal to L, sine pi is again 0. Sine pi is 0. So W naught into 0 is 0. So again W is 0. At x is equal to L, sine pi is 0. So W is equal to again 0. So here it is again 0. So you know how it is changing. 0, then pi by 2 here. So it is increasing. Then sine 90 to 180, it is again decreasing. But this is not increasing in 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. It is decreasing in a quadratic way. Okay, yes engineer, soon sir will also be joining us in marathon. Have you got this? X is equal to 0, x is equal to L by 2 and x is equal to L. Now theta A is asked in the simply supported beam. Theta A. Now guys, you have seen this EI d2y by dx2 is equal to m bending moment, correct? बट बेंडिंग मोमेंट निकलते निकलते यहाँ पे भाई ऐसी तैसी हो जाएगी. बेंडिंग मोमेंट निकालते निकालते यहाँ पे ऐसी तैसी हो जाएगी. करेक्ट और नॉट? करेक्ट और नॉट? एवरीवन प्लीज टेल मी. फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द बेंडिंग मोमेंट हियर इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. ओके, इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. It will be very difficult for us. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Because it is very difficult to find out bending moment here. So differentiate it one more time. EI d3y by dx3. Differentiate one more time. It will be shear force. Finding shear force is also very difficult. Finding shear force is also very difficult. So differentiate it one more time. d4y by dx4. It will be load intensity. Differentiate it one more time. It will be load intensity. Now load intensity is very easy. Okay. This is load intensity. Yes or no? Load intensity we can find out now. Load intensity we can find out now. d4y by dx4 is load intensity. Load intensity is downward. This is minus w naught sine pi x by L. Load intensity is downward, so that is I am putting it in minus sign. So I am putting it in minus sign. It is w naught sine pi x by L. Okay. Now load intensity I can write down na. Load intensity I can write down na. Load intensity I can write down na. Yes or no? Load intensity I can write down na. Yes or no? Okay. So load intensity I write down minus w naught sine pi x by L. Now integrate. Now start from here. Okay. Now start from this. Now start the equation from here, because load intensity I can write down. Load intensity I can write down. EI d4y by dx4 is this. So now start integrating from here. Start integrating from here. So integrate here EI d3y by dx3. Please see it very clearly. Integrate from here. EI d3, integration of sign will be cos. Okay, minus cos, so it will be w naught L by pi cos pi x by L, and while integration it will be a sine, constant sine C1. Now do one more integration. Okay, some message. Okay, now fine. Some message, now fine. EI d3y by dx3 is w naught L by pi cos pi x by L plus C1. Now this is shear force, and shear force of every symmetrical beam is equal to 0 at center. Any symmetrical beam. If you see this symmetrical beam, shear force at center is 0. Shear force of every symmetrical beam is 0 at x is equal to L by 2. Okay, because SFD diagram of every symmetrical beam is anti-symmetrical. Okay, so if x is equal to L by 2, if you cos pi by 2 will become 0, cos pi by 2, cos 90 will be 0, this will be 0, therefore C1 is equal to 0. Therefore C1 is equal to 0. Now again one more integrate. EI d2y by dx2 cos integration w naught L square integration of this pi square sine pi x by L plus C2. Again guys, this d2y by dx2 is bending moment. 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 Correct? d2y by dx2 is bending moment. So bending moment at x is equal to 0. For pin support, it is 0 na. 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 So at x is equal to 0, it is 0. X is equal to 0 means sine 0. If you put x is equal to 0 here, sine 0 is 0. This is also 0. Therefore C2 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0 plus C2. C2 is equal to 0. Correct? Correct? Now one more integration. EI dy by dx integration. Sorry, EI d2y by dx2 integration is EI dy by dx. Integration of d2y by dx2 is dy by dx. So integration of this is equal to w naught minus sine integration is minus cos. W naught L cube pi cube cos pi x by L plus C3. For all symmetrical beams, deflected shape will be symmetrical. For all symmetrical beams, deflected shape will be symmetrical, and at center slope is also 0. At center slope is 0. So dy by dx is actually theta. Dy by dx is actually theta. Okay. Dy by dx is actually theta. Pi cube cos pi x by L plus C3. So this slope at center is also 0. So cos L by 2 means 0. Cos x, if you put x is equal to L by 2, it becomes cos 90, 0. This is also 0. Slope at the L by 2 is 0. 0 is equal to 0 plus C3. So C3 is equal to 0. And I want EI theta A. I want EI theta A. Theta A means x is equal to 0. X we are measuring from here na. So x is equal to 0. So cos 0 is 1. So minus W naught L cube pi cube. Let me be little down now. So theta A from here is equal to minus W naught L cube pi cube EI. W naught L cube pi cube EI. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Let us move to the next question now. Okay, little tough for you. Little tough for you. Little tough for you. Do this, everyone. Do this, do this, do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, hit it. Come on, come on, come on, tell me. Material A is more, first of all, you are able to see me. Let me be little down again. Let me be little down again. Material A is more brittle than material B. Yes? Yes? Correct? Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Material A is more brittle than material B. Absolutely correct, because it is failing with less strain, na? It is failing with less strain, na? Correct? The ultimate strength of material B is more. No, 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 no. A is having more stress here. A is having more stress. This is the stress on y-axis. A is having more stress. So 1 is correct and 2 is false. 1 is correct and 2 is false. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Correct? Okay, this is a question. Excellent, excellent question. Excellent question, guys. There is a simply supported beam. There is a simply supported beam A and B. A and B. Okay, and there is a column on this. There is a column in which W load is acting. Now see, suppose my hand is there. Okay, so my hand is there. This is a simply supported beam. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. On this there is a column. On my hand there is a column, and some load is applied here. Some load is applied here. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rajkumar. This is A. This is B. This is A. This is B. This is A. This is B. Thank you. Thank you, Rajkumar. So nice of you. This is A. This is B. But this will not private it. This session will be there, so you can watch after your RRB also. So if your RRB exam, you're dedicatedly prepared for it, please you can revise and take rest. Tomorrow you can, if you have, you can ask a doubt, because tomorrow again at 8 p.m. I have soil mechanics. Na? You can ask your doubt. You can watch it later. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. On this there is a column, and on column there is some load applied. So when load is applied, here is point load. Here it 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 is point load. But due to this column, this, even it is a point load, this will be transferring in this length as a UDL, na? In this length of my hand, this will be transferring UDL, na? Because point load is actually at this point, na? Point load is actually at this point. Now this whole length will transfer the load in this whole length in my hand. That will be UDL, na? That will be UDL, na? Here there is a point load at this point, but column will be applying load in all this length, na? So that will be a UDL. And from symmetry, W load downward, so this is W by 2 upward and W by 2 upward here. Always remember, guys, in this word, always remember, always remember, for every symmetrical question, symmetrical in loading, symmetrical in support, symmetrical in loading, symmetrical in support, SFD is anti-symmetrical, BMD is symmetrical. See yaar, this is the case, na? So SFD is anti-symmetrical, BMD is symmetrical. SFD anti-symmetrical, BMD symmetrical for every symmetric question, symmetric support, symmetric loading. Again, this is a symmetric question. You have drawn the SFD, BMD for this, na? SFD anti-symmetrical, BMD is symmetrical. So for this also, this is a symmetrical question. Symmetrical question, SFD will be anti-symmetrical. You know AN method, guys. Those who have not studied AN method, Abhinav Negi method of SFD, BMD. Every question you can do in 2 seconds. Every question you can do in 2 seconds. Okay, watch AN method in YouTube. Watch AN method in YouTube. You can draw it in 2 seconds. Okay, you can draw it in 2 seconds. You can draw it in 2 seconds. Okay. So watch AN method from YouTube. On YouTube, write down the AN method of SFDBMD. Okay, so from there you can know how SFDBMD can be drawn. Upward load, W by 2 upward. No loading, it will be like this. Those who have not seen AN method, they might not be getting this. Those who have not seen AN method, they might not be getting this. Otherwise, everyone else can get it. Upward load, W by 2, shear force jumps. No load, shear force constant. Downward load, shear force will go like this. I told them. No load, shear force constant. Upward load, shear force jumps. Okay. How I have drawn this in 2 seconds? Watch AN method. Plus, plus, minus, minus. Okay. So shearing force at C will be 0. Shearing force, it will be 0. Got it? Yes, Avinash. Excellent. Yes, Avinash. Excellent. Okay. Now do this. GATE PYQ 2015. 2015. 2-mark question. 2015. 2-mark question. 2015. 2-mark question. What is the deflection of point A? Guys, delta total, whatever the total deformation of this assembly will be equal to delta A, na? Whatever the total deformation, how much BC will elongate, that much A will go down, and how much this will elongate, that much it will go down. Yes or no? Yes or no? How much BC will elongate, A will go down. How much AB will elongate, that much A will go down. So whatever the total elongation will be the moment of point A. Whatever the total elongation will be the moment of point A. So delta A is equal to delta BC. Let me write it with the same color. Okay. So this is delta AB, yellow dotted portion, and this is delta BC. Okay. So what is delta BC? This is a circular rod. What is delta BC? Delta BC will be equal to 4PL pi D1 D2 into E. Load you know 30, this load is this. L is 2 meter, D1 and D2 you know, D1 is given, D2 is given. Similarly, what is delta AB? Delta AB is PL by A, PLA. Area of this is circular section. Pi by 4 D square into E. Every value is known here. Every value is known here. Every value is known here. Yes or no? Every value is known here. So it will be 9 plus 6. One value will be 9, one value will be 6. You can calculate. I am not doing the calculation here. It will be 15 mm. It will be 15 mm. Correct? Everyone got it? Any doubt? Shall we move this? Take as a homework, guys. This also take as a homework. Yeah, excellent. Modulus of rigidity. Excellent question, guys. Let me write it again here. E is Young's modulus, G is modulus of rigidity. Excellent, guys. If you can solve this now, then you are champion. K is bulk modulus. For elastic metals, metal is an important word. This is the keyword here. Metal is a keyword here. Why it is a keyword? You will get to know shortly. Catch point, which can be possibly true. First of all, let me take G is equal to 2K. If this is true or not, let me check. Now relation between E, G, mu, K. I hope you know this. What are the total number of elastic constants for isotropic condition? For isotropic material, 4. What are those 4? E, G, mu, K. What are independent number of elastic constants? Can you tell me? Independent are 2, because if you know any 2 of these 4, you can find remaining 2. Suppose you know K and mu. So if K and mu is known, you can find out E na. Now E is find out and mu is known, you can find G also. Suppose K and G are known. So from K and G you can find E, from K and G you can find mu. So from any 2 you can find all 4. So total elastic constants for isotropic material, if somebody asks you, it will be 4 and total independent will be 2. Total will be 4 and independent will be 2. Total will be 4 and independent will be 2. And relation between them is this. Relation between them is this. We have to take the bigger rubber, yeah, this is the bigger rubber. Okay. Now, suppose I take G is equal to 2K. Is this possible or not? If this is possible or not, let me take this. So let me take this relation. Mu is equal to, this is yellow color, let me write it with yellow color. Mu is equal to 3K minus 2G and 6K plus 2G. 6K plus 2G. Suppose G is equal to 2K. So 3K minus 2, G is equal to 2K na. G is equal to 2K na. 6K plus 2G. G is equal to 2K. 3K minus 4K is minus K. 6K plus 4K is equal to 10K. So it is minus 0.1. Not possible for metals. Mu cannot be negative for metals. Mu cannot be negative for metals, guys. For soap polymers, human tissues, it can be negative, but not possible for metals. So A is not the answer. A is not the answer. Now, A is not the answer. Let me take B now. Let me take B now. B. B is G is equal to E. Now you can see this relation. E is equal to 2G1 plus mu. E is equal to 2G1 plus mu. If E and G are same, so they can be cancelled out. So 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus mu. 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus mu means 0.5 is equal to 1 plus mu. So mu is equal to minus 0.5. Mu is equal to minus 0.5. Not possible for metals. Not possible for metals. So G is equal to E is not, and here also it is G is equal to E. So A, B, C not possible. So D will be an answer. Let me prove D also first of all. We directly know that D is the answer, but let me see. Suppose D, K is equal to E. Beautiful question, guy. Beautiful. K is equal to E. So we know the relation. This one, E is equal to 3K, 1 minus 2 mu. E is equal to 3K, 1 minus 2 mu. If E and K are equal, then they can kill each other. Kill. So this is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 minus 2 mu. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 minus 2 mu. 2 mu is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 mu is equal to 3 minus 1. That will be 2 by 3. Mu is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 0.33. Which is possible. Positive value for metal is possible. So it is possible. So K is equal to E. Now let me tell you one very important point here, guys. If mu range is asked na, then this is the range of mu. If it is asked in question, it is substance. Because the question is asked and two different answers are given by gate examination 2 times. First, the right answer minus 1, 2.5. So everybody remember minus 1, 2.5. This happened in mechanical. Minus 1, 2.5, minus 1, 2.5, minus 1, 2.5, minus 1 say 0.5, minus 1, 2.5, minus 1 say 0.5. Next year they ask the question, the answer is 0 to 0.5. Then people say, what is this rubbish here? Actually the question was different. In the first year of mechanical when they asked, it was actually what is the range of mu for all substances in this world. All substance includes human tissue and soap polymer which have negative mu. Next time the question was a bit different. They asked what is the range of mu of metals. Metals it cannot be negative. Let me tell you, in the upcoming future years, they can ask the range of mu For ductile metals, the range becomes even smaller. 1 by 4 to 1 by 3, 0.25 to 0.33. Ductile metal range is 1 by 4 to 1 by 3. 1 by 4 to 1 by 3. Yes or no? Got it? Got the concept, guys? Actually, there are people think that they didn't read the complete question. The first here the question was, what is the range of mu for all substances in this world? Next time the question was bit different. What is the range of mu for metals? Now if they specify the range of mu for ductile metals, it will be 1 by 4 to 1 by 3. Okay. Great. This take as a homework. Now 4 questions I am giving you homework, guys. MSQ, guys. Okay. Thank you guys. Let me tell you, you can follow us on this Instagram and Facebook as well. This is the game changer series. Today was the first session, practice series. What practice we are doing? We are practice on those topics from where the maximum questions have been asked. It will be at 8 p.m. on YouTube. It will be at 8 p.m. on YouTube. Okay, and this we will be coming. This is the series date, 16th. Now tomorrow soil. Okay, then 18th is off. So this session will be taking on 18th. Okay, 25 most important topics and 25 topics that can be skipped. Are you coming tomorrow? This will be on YouTube, guys. Did you enjoy the series? Are you coming tomorrow? For any details, you can connect me here, guys. 93549 or abhinav@resultant.in. You can connect me at the phone number 93549 or abhinav@resultant.in. You can connect me here, guys. Are you coming in soil mechanics tomorrow? Yes or no? Those students who are preparing for GATE 2025, they can take the crash course, guys. The crash course is going on. For any detail, you can connect me about the fees, about what is the module and everything. And those who are preparing for GATE 2026 and 27, let me tell you, the complete course is in Resultant. You can download the Resultant Civil app from the Play Store. On the Play Store, you can write down the Resultant Civil app and you can download. Okay, you will get live plus recorded classes for every subject. For every subject, you will get a PDF of workbook, which includes MSQ, NAT, MCQ question. For every subject, you will get formula book. For every subject, you will get study notes. For every subject, you will be getting the study notes, workbook, PYQs, formula books that you can download for lifetime, plus live plus recorded classes. The complete courses there, you can download the Resultant Civil app. And for any doubt, you can connect me here, 93549 Okay. Okay, and for the 2025 students, the crash course is going on. The crash course is going on for GATE 2025. Okay, so number is here, guys. Otherwise, it is in the description box as well. Thank you, Suman. Thank you, Suman. Thank you, Sachin. Everyone welcome, guys. Okay, so see you tomorrow, guys, at 8 p.m. for soil mechanics. Okay. Thank you, everyone.